couple days ago, I started my yeast growing. I've got 2 batches of Irish ale yeast sitting on a stir plate, and they have been going crazy. So I expect to have a really strong primary fermentation. Okay, it's brew day here. I'm using my Brew Boss to warm up some water that I'm going to sit aside in an old Coleman mash tun, and I'm going to let that water sit there and use that to help rinse out the grain after I am done mashing. So another good use for the Brew Boss. It's just about at the right degrees, and the system automatically throttles down the electric, so I should be in good shape to stop here and start the brew. Alright, I'm heating my water to strike temperature of 154. Brew Boss system is cranking at 100% inside my kettle. You can see I've got the water flowing, keeps good circulation. Right now, I've got about 10 gallons in my Brew Boss, and I've got my coffee filter full and ready to go. Today, I'm brewing a twist on the Russian Imperial Stout. I call it the Estonian Colonial Stout, and it is going to be fabulous. I've got well over 30 pounds of grain, close to 40 pounds of grain in the coffee filter, and you'll see how it's darkest at the bottom. This is a dark beer, so you always put the darkest grains at the bottom in order to get the best color. Okay, I've added the coffee filter, it's in. I'm bringing the mash temp back up to 152, my mash temp. You can see the heater is running at about 45%. I'm just about there. And I have the coffee filter installed. And you can see it is chugging away, pushing all that beautiful sugar out of the grain and into my brew. So there you go. Back in an hour. Brew day over, everything all cleaned up. It's great to have a wonderful sink with the commercial spigot. Brew Boss all put together, put back, power off. Wonderful Brew Boss 20-gallon container, spotless and clean, nice and easy. And my beer is in my Moore Beer conical fermenter, 10-gallon. Chilling it down a little bit. It came a little hot, and so I have to take a look. I'm looking at 74 right now, so I won't pitch my yeast until I'm at 68. But this is a wonderful device. This 10-gallon Moore Beer conical fermenter does a fantastic job maintaining the temperature, and Brew Boss does a fantastic job letting you brew indoors with electricity. And I had 40 pounds of grain, so I really maxed the thing out. Original gravity came in a little over 107. So not terribly high efficiency, but certainly good enough for the first try. And thanks to Electric Brewery for their wonderful book on how to build a home electric brewery. I took a lot of ideas from them. I found most of these products on Amazon cheaper than they were used on Craigslist, and so I got a great sink and Hardell undersink pump. And it's all self-contained, goes right to the PVC and out. And same thing with the stainless steel with the 6-inch vent pipe hood. That worked, got that on Amazon for about the same price, little less than the same price delivered, than I could have gotten one from Craigslist, and this had the built-in LEDs as well. So, and then last but not least, recycling my Harbor Freight winch from my garage, where I used it to pull engines. Now I can use it to pull coffee filters from the Brew Boss. Everything went great. I'll let you know how the beer tastes.